Welcome to you in the new video of this channel, and I hope everything is going great from your side in this AJ90JS challenge. Today I am going to share how to read blogs like a pro, including tools as well as how to select that highlighted text by a single click, right? Also how to format these highlighted text inside a GitHub Markdown file. Sounds cool? So without further ado, let's get into the video right away. First thing first, you have to download these two Chrome extensions. The first one is a highlighter Chrome extension and the second one is dark reader Chrome extension. If you are using this Chrome extension, then your eyes will be thankful to you. And I hope you will download this Chrome extension in your browser by yourself. Now let's see how to read a blogs and format it inside a GitHub Markdown. First of all, find a great blogs. You can also follow this Chrome extension daily.dev. Also, you can find some great websites such as MDN, right? Now open any blog. For example, I have opened this blog, right? Now read this blog thoroughly and select the text using Alt+H shortcut keys if you have already downloaded this extension. And please remember, select all headings and code blocks that are very important for you, as you can see on your screen, right? After highlighting all content in that blog, then click on this Chrome extension. Here you will find all the highlighted content that was selected by you on this page, right? And now you need to just copy this all text by using this button. Just click on it. Now head over to the VS Code and create a Markdown file according to the blog. So I have created a Markdown file about JavaScript, right? And now paste all highlighted content inside this file. But it looks clumsy, right? But let me tell you, my friend, it's a great reason to revise this topic once again during formatting it, right? Now click on this button to see the preview of this Markdown file. And to make it look good, you need to know about GitHub Markdown. But don't worry, we have already a great resources available on this topic. Just click on the I button of this video, or you can get it from the description box. Let me format it very quickly in front of you. And here is the output. And now you can push this content on your GitHub. So this is how you can keep your notes on GitHub, right? So this is a great way to read blogs according to me. And let me know your feedback on it. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment box and we'll come back to you. Thanks for watching this video.